Good morning. This is Dr. Zain Agha from forexmentoringprogram.com. Recently, we introduced a new trading system called the most profitable forex trading system, and our members who have purchased the system, they're doing very well. And those of you who haven't purchased it yet, I would urge you to purchase it and make loads and loads of money. So here is the trades that you would have had during the last week from the 12th of August until the 16th of August. So I will go over it and show you how much profit you would have made. This is the London Open at 8 o'clock. And the server time is 10 o'clock because it's 2 hours ahead of us. So at the open of the London market, we get a buy signal. So we buy at the open of this candle. Let me make it yellow so that it's easily visible. And then we place our stop about 5 pips below this low. Okay, so this is our stop loss at 1.20235. So we measure what we are risking. So we are risking about 40 pips, 39.9, about 40 pips here, but yes, 40 pips. So we get a profit of 40 pips off on this candle. This goes to 42.8. So we get 42 pips here. Open the notepad and then we write down first trade 40 pips, 40 pips profit. Okay, and the second trade, our signal to exit was here at this up here. This is where we got the signal to exit. So our second trade was 32 pips profit. So here we write down, sorry, this is 40 pips profit, and then we have on the 12th again, 12th August, our profit is 32 pips, right? And then we move on to the 13th. This was the 12th, and on the 13th here we did not get any signal, so we just left it. These arrows, they are of no use when there is no signal. Then again on the 14th we got a buy signal here, right? We got a buy signal here at 1.20635, and we place our stop loss 5 pips below the low. So the low was 1.20448, so it's going to be 1.20398. So 1.20398 398, there it is. So this is what we are risking. So we take two trades, so we are risking 23 pips. On the first trade we get our 23 pips on this candle here. So let's write it down. And this was on the 14th August, and the profit was 23 pips on the first trade, and again on the 14th August let's check where is our second take profit. So our second take profit was here. The market went up, but we didn't get the signal to exit. So, but our second take profit was here at this price, 1.20692. So our profit was about 5 pips. Okay. So our second take profit was 5 pips. 5 pips, right? And then we go to the 15th of August. Let's see, 15th of August here. There was, when the London market opened, there was already a signal to buy here. So as soon as it opened, we went long here. So we go long here. Well, 1.20781, and we place our stop loss about at the 5 pips lower than the last low, somewhere here, about this much. So we are risking about 32 pips. So we get a 32 pips here on this candle. So let's bring it here. So on the 15th of August, profit was 32 pips on the first trade, and on the second we'll have a look here. On the second we have in this candle, on the third candle, this is where we get the exit signal here. So we will bring it here. This is where we get the exit signal on this candle. So this is a profit of about 46 pips. So our second trade gave us 46 pips profit. And then on the 16th of August, right, on the 16th of August, when the London market opened, there was already a signal here to buy. Anyway, at the open we just go long straight away. Okay, at the open the market goes down, then comes back up here. So we will go long here. Let me put it here at this price here, and we place our stop loss 5 pips below this low. The low was 20816, should 207. We look at the risk to reward ratio. It was 42 pips. Do we get 42 pips? Yes, it goes as high as 55 pips. So we get the first trade, we make 46 pips. 46 pips. Okay. And the second trade, let's check again. Sorry, it's 42 pips, not 46 pips. So we make a profit of 42 pips on the first trade, and then on the second one, let's see, 16th of August. 16th August, our second exit signal we get is here at the open of this red candle. This is our second exit signal, exit. So 1-to-1 ratio was, we received it, and the second one where we got the exit signal is 47 pips profit. So this was on Friday, 47 pips profit. Okay, so the total profit was, let's calculate, 40 plus 32 plus 23 plus 5 plus 32 plus 46 plus 42 plus 47 equals to 267 pips. 267 pips. Okay, so this was just one pair GBP USD. In that one pair, in the entire week, you made over 250 pips. Now there are more pairs to trade, so you could have made easily, if you would concentrate on it, you can make 1000 pips a day. That's no problem. Okay, so this is how you trade. And those of you who have already traded, I would like you to put your comments below. And those who have not yet purchased the system, I would urge you to purchase it, and you will make good money. So thanks for watching, and take care, and see you next week. Take care. Bye bye.